Roll-off dumpster rental service in Bellevue, Nebraska. Are you tackling a big project in Bellevue, Nebraska, and need a reliable dumpster rental? RMS Dumpsters is here to help. Whether you're working on a home renovation, cleaning up a construction site, or decluttering your property, we offer affordable, convenient roll-off dumpster rental services. At RMS Dumpsters, we provide a variety of dumpster sizes, including 10, 20, 30, and 40-yard options, ensuring you get the right fit for your project. Our team makes the rental process easy, from selecting the ideal dumpster size to timely delivery and pickup. We're committed to helping you stay on schedule and keep your project moving forward smoothly. Our roll-off dumpsters are perfect for handling debris from construction jobs, large cleanouts, or even small-scale home remodels. With our flat-rate pricing, you won't have to worry about hidden fees. You'll always know what to expect. Serving Bellevue, Nebraska, and the surrounding areas, RMS Dumpsters offers quick, reliable, and eco-friendly waste disposal. Let us take care of your dumpster needs so you can focus on what matters most, getting the job done. For fast and friendly service, give us a call today at 402-510-7016. Whether you're in need of a dumpster for a day or a week, RMS Dumpsters has you covered.